What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to be installing these AUXITO LED headlights on a 2020 Chrysler 300. These are LED light Y19 series, and these are 6500K 9005 HB3 LED headlights, and we're going to be smacking these babies on and seeing how they look. So let's get started. First impressions, here's the box. It's pretty heavy for LED lights, but we're going to open this bad boy up. Alright, let's see what we got. So here's the box. Go ahead and slide it open. Came with some gloves. Let's pop these bad boys on. Alright, it came with some zip ties and some gaskets. Here's the manual right here. Just some basic stuff on how to install the gaskets. We already have gaskets on the new ones, guys, so you don't need to put them on. They're basically just ready to throw in the car. So let's get it in the car. On the passenger side, there is a little circular plastic panel looking thing, and you just basically twist it and it pops right off, and then the headlight, you twist it and it pops right off as well. There's the old one, that's the old halogen, and we're gonna grab our new one and go ahead and slap these bad boys in. Alrighty, so now these are connected, we're good. Now we just got to put our little plastic panel and twist it back in. Heads up, it is a little tight in here. Also, it is pretty hard to push it down in there and twist, so use some of your muscles, guys. Alrighty, so now for the fun part, it's going to be the driver's side, and this is the hardest side to do, but it's really not that hard. You just got to take off the air intake. It's going to be 2 bolts total, one on the box and one on the intake hose, and we're ready to pull this big old box up and install our new LED headlights. It's going to be the same process here, guys. Just take off the little plastic, twist it off, and then take off the headlight. Just twist off the headlight, pop off the little connection to it, and reinstall the new LED. It's pretty simple, guys. It's not too hard. Alright, here it is. Throw the little plate on, twist her back up, and she's off to go, boys. She's off to go. Now just reassemble everything and the intake hose, and we are done. Alrighty, guys, here's a recap. These are the old headlights, and here are the new headlights. Big difference, guys, as you could tell. If you're thinking about purchasing these headlights, I have a link down in the description for you guys to go buy it. Wouldn't hurt to use my code 2clean. I'll leave it in the description so you guys can save some money, and it also does help out the channel a lot, guys. Leave a like on this video if you want to see more reviews and installs. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell to stay notified when I drop a new video, and I'm out. Peace.
Touchdown, I play my position. Hey, forever you stuck on the mission. Forever.